7. Now pivot and say 8. Okay, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7. Count.
1, 2, 3.
Kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Otra vez. 5, 6, 7. And
1, 2, 3.
kick.
5, 6,
7, 8. We're going to spiral up. 1, 2, 3. Total 4. I want you to kick. 5, 6, 7. Alright, so we kick again on 5. The whole thing. Alright? And we're trying to give the audience a little bit of different angles here, alright? We're starting to the right, and then we end up on the left side. 6, 7. Count.
1, 2, 3.
Kick.
5, 6,
7, 8.
1, 2,
Toe, 4, kick, 5, 6, 7. Alright, now we're going to do a syncopated super Cuba. Alright, we're going to go, let's do a regular Cuba first. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hook, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, square off. We're going to square off on 6, 7. And then 8 is right here. Boom. Alright, let's try that again from the top. And we're going to syncopate that. Let's just do it one more time regular. 6, 7. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, everyone stop. Just the Cuba.
Okay.
Alright, 6. We just stopped here. 7. Cuba, Cuba. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Keep going back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright? Mambo legs. 7, 8. Alright? Now, we're going to syncopate that. We're going to go 1. I keep messing up the count. Julie, what's my count? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So you're doing everything double time. All right. Again, if you count it just like that, your feet will respond. All right. Again, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Again. Let's do that piece quicker then.
Ya, ya, ya.